Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from SQL Server into Power BI. So first I'm going to open the SQL Server Management Studio and I will establish a connection with database. So the server name is the combination of host name and the service name. So how I'm going to get the host name, let me just show you. Let me first open the command prompt and I will type a command host name, and this is going to give you the host name. And what about the service name? The service name you will get from here. Go to services, and this service should be up and running. This one, this is the name of my SQL Server service. It should be up and running. Now authentication should be Windows authentication. Now everything is okay. I will click connect, and this will establish a connection. Now I'm going to click new query, and I have already created a database name with sales db. So I'm going to use this database. So type use sales db and semicolon at the end. I have already created a table called sales. It has some rows in it. Let me just query it and execute. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to load all the data from this table into Power BI. So first go to Power BI and go to get data and select SQL Server. Now you have to provide the server name. So the server name is this one. Right click, go to properties and get the server name. Copy and paste the server name over here. So it is a combination of host name, then backslash, then the service name. Database name is optional, but I will provide the database name over here. This is the name of database. So let me just provide it over here. So as far as the data connectivity is concerned, we have two options, import and direct query. So import will import all the data from the tables. So as far as the second option is concerned, you can filter the data from the table. So I will first select the import and then I will click OK. And now I'm going to select my table name. So the table name is sales. It has all the data in the table. So it will load everything, all rows from the table. Click load, and all that data will be loaded in Power BI. So this is one option. Let me just go to the second option, select SQL Server, and now I'm going to select the server name again. This one is the server name. Let me just quickly provide the server name over here, and sales db is the database name. Let me just quickly provide it. And now I'm going to select my second option, direct query. Go to advanced option. Here I'm going to provide the query. So let me just query only two rows, where sales ID, and let me just query it. And it is going to give me only two rows. So now let me just copy this query over here, and I will use this query to get only two rows from the table. Click OK. Now only two rows will be loaded in the Power BI. Load. Look, only two rows have been loaded. So I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.